Hello, this is ModelFun and you are watching my quick tips video. This time I will show you how I made my own rust. Of course you can buy a set of pigments or other products on the market, but with little effort you can also make your own. And what's even better, your rust will not pretend to be a rust, it will be a real one. Okay, to make it I use three things. One is a small jar, second is a vinegar, and any vinegar will do the work. I have apple vinegar, but it can be any other type. And third thing is a steel wool. I cut a small piece of steel wool and put it into the jar. Now I add vinegar, and very important thing, do not do it inside. Seriously, it reacts with the steel wool and produces toxic fumes, so it's best to do it outside. For the video purpose I do it in my workplace, but I have all windows open and wearing a mask while doing so. I close the jar, shake it a bit, and later I leave it open and put it outside for like 1 week. After 7 days it looked like this and it's ready to be used, but I prefer to have less vinegar and wool more fragmented, so I will leave it outside for a few more days. But fortunately I have my old one and I will show you now how I use it. Here I have an exhaust collector from the World War II aircraft. The original aircraft looks like this, and I want to achieve similar result. So I add the rust with the brush and wait for it to dry. Once dry, I use thinner, but water also will do the work, and I blend the rust, and here is the result. Same way I treat this Focke-Wulf 190. I think the result is quite good and worth the effort. It is maybe not that spectacular like rust on the old cars models or armored vehicles, but this rust is also good for that kind of modeling as well. The whole idea how to make the rust I saw on the Dave's Model Workshop channel, so the credit goes to author. You can check how Dave applies the rust on the tank and also other videos on his channel, as he has some great stuff there. For now, that will be it. Thank you for watching, please subscribe if you like it, and see you next time.